Role play 34. Discussion with taxi driver.
A man wants to go somewhere by taxi. He just calls a taxi. The taxi man comes and the discussion goes as follows.
Hello, taxi.
Yes, sir. Where do you have to go?
I have to go to this address. Can you take me to this address?
Sure, sir. I know this address.
Okay, good. How many kilometers is this address away from here?
It is nearly 5 kilometers away from here.
Okay, how much will be the fare?
Not much, just 200 INR.
It's too much.
No, sir. Actually, the road is very bad, and a lot of drivers do not go to this address.
Maybe, but can you go at 120 INR?
120 rupees. It is okay. We will go at 130 INR, and it is last.
Okay, let us go.
Okay. Oh, my bad. I am confused about this address. Do you know the way correctly?
No problem. I know this way. You can also use Google Maps.
No, Google Maps will not be very good.
Okay, go straight. Now turn to the right. No, go straight, and I will tell you when to turn.
Okay, sir.
Stop. Stop. Here's the place.
Yes, we reached.
Should I pay you online or in cash?
Anything will do, but cash will be better.
Okay, here is the fare in cash.
Thank you, sir.